Hey, Miss Caswell, it's Siri with Shelf Genie, and it was nice seeing you again this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your new areas, along with your existing Shelf Genie glide outs. So above the refrigerator, we're going to do, this is a 2.5 inch height glide out on the bottom, on the side right here. And then this is 2.5 inches, and then it slopes, so it's a little higher, so your items won't fall over, and you can stand right here, open your door, and get what you need. It's a lot easier to go across than far back to reach back here. So we'll do that in that area. And then this is your blind corner. We're going to go ahead and give up that back space. And what we'll do is we'll do a tray bin, which is 7 inches, and you'll have 3 dividers. They'll be 3 inches apart, so you can put all your cookie sheets, platters, whatever you need. And then we'll go ahead and raise that shelf a little bit, and you can do another 2.5 inch height glide out on the top. And you're still going to have a shelf back here for storage, so you'll be able to use that area as well. And then underneath your sink, what we'll do is go ahead and do a 2.5 inch. Now we'll go as far back as we can to those pipes. And then this is called that independent riser again. So when you're standing here and you want to push this in, you can get all your dish rags, your soaps, SOS pads, whatever you need. And it will fully extend as well. Okay? So that is your Shelf Genie project. I priced out the Classic, is what you currently have. And we went ahead and honored the free installation for you for the home show, and I'll have that all in an email. Just as a reminder, all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. I know you're worried about that. You questioned that earlier. So, and anyway, and that's it. And I ran out and got a new computer today. So I was able to get this to you. All right. Sorry about that happened to me today. And you can call me and we can do a credit card right over the phone and get you measured